So when we first arrived to Brunswick Marina, we didn't realize how primo spot we got. We are right across the beach where they will launch fireworks today. So we'll have unobstructed view, hopefully.
We're gonna pull the lines from bow to stern. I'm gonna hold the stern line and you're gonna back port engine reverse, right?
Port engine reverse.
I'm gonna hold us on the stern and you're gonna back port engine reverse against the stern wheel.
Yeah.
And that will get you hopefully enough clearance. So favor the port engine so we don't hit the bow. Match them up now. And then if you want to turn around, you can favor port again and back down if you want a little bit. Give port a decent push, and then give starboard forward. Turn the port to neutral. You don't want to drift too far into the fuel dock. Port to forward. Let the boat start to go forward and then start to turn with the wheel. Keep the throttles matched. You're still drifting back a little bit, so you may need a little more power. Depends how far back you want to go. And then line yourselves up with the channel. Oh, there's another one. There's one closer.
Oh my goodness, there's two of them.
Another one further away. Yeah, they're right here, Miley. 50 feet. There's one out there. See it first?
That is insane. All those birds.
So we're in, what, 10 feet of water roughly? We're going to start to flounder because the wind and the current is around. Give us a quick hit in reverse.
Is that enough?
What's our speed showing? 0.
8 feet, 8.9 depth.
All right,
9.
give us another hit in reverse. All right, let's back down on the anchor. So put us in reverse now, slow reverse. Push. Leave it there for a second. Speed.
0.
Yeah, there we go. Alright, hold it here for a few minutes. So, got you.
Yeah.
Again, when you check your speed now, so we're setting the anchor,
Yeah.
we want to make sure we're not moving.
Yeah, I'm looking at that red.
Pick two
whatever.
objects. You see the range marker?
Yeah.
And the tower behind it? There's a darker object behind it.
Okay.
You see how they're right next to each other?
Yeah.
If one of them starts to slip past the other, that means we're moving. Right now we have 3 objects in a line. Us, the red marker, and the gray tower behind it. If we were moving, the gray tower would be going forward, and you'd see the range marker going behind you, right? So if you're looking at two objects,
You're swinging around, so I can't hard to tell.
we might be swinging a little bit. Now we're going to set the bridle. You may know this stuff, right? We're using a crescent hitch. Locked. It's loaded. Now we're transferring weight load to the bridle. So we need to put slack chain between the bridle attachment and the bow. And we're going to load chain stock. Because that's the first use of the full system.
We have arrived. Dolphins like circling our boat.
Oh, she's in. Is it cold? She's in. She's in. Push him right off the back. Oh, it shows you where it's looking. Hi. Heroes. One. Well, I'm supposed to discard one of these first. Two.
Money.
Three. Book, money, and sword.
Oh no, book? Okay.
It's on what? My black market.
That's during your build turn.
Nope. When a room in any dungeon is destroyed, you may pay to draw a spell.
Alright. Then
I want a spell.
there's your spell, and I wanted to look at.
We are right across the beach where they will launch fireworks today. So we'll have unobstructed view, hopefully.
You don't have to be large, no.
Now it's there.
Yeah, good thing we didn't come in facing the other way.
Like I said, you want to face this way. Otherwise, you're not getting any outside use.
Oh, somebody closed it.
I closed.
You didn't close the top though.
I saw the big one. I was like, oh, I tried, Michael. I tried. Push you up there.
There it is.